There is a purpose behind the CEO world record attempt, and that purpose is to literally rewrite the history and narratives we hear in the boardrooms, in the leadership teams, in the corporate world. And it doesn't even matter if it's a big or smaller company, but we've been taught that growth at any cost is the pinnacle, of the business, of the economy itself, of the society itself. And what we see now, it is that, we have, as you've spoken, right, we have unhealthy environment in most of the places. People are drained, there's burnout. See what we've done to our planet Earth, which is our home, and many other things. So the purpose of the world record is literally to find ways how we can rewrite that history and change the narrative in the boardrooms and ask different questions.